Hello and welcome to Veeam Multi-Cloud Technical Series. In this video, I'm going to recover my previously created backup of a VM residing on-prem to Microsoft Azure Cloud, right from Veeam Backup and Replication Console. The first step that I need to take is to specify my Azure credentials for Veeam Console. I already went to the main menu of the program and found Manage Azure Credentials option. Now I'm selecting Azure Resource Manager deployment model and global region, and then signing in using my email address and the password. As the recovery process differs for Windows and Linux machines, I can additionally provide the helper appliance settings to be able to recover in Linux-based computers. As I'm going to recover a Windows-based instance, I can skip this step now. I'm going to a list of backups and choosing my recovery to Microsoft Azure procedure, configuring its settings with the Resource Manager deployment model, double-checking my Azure subscription, and selecting desired Azure region. On the next step, I'm changing the VM size value, as by default Veeam takes the smallest one, and after that checking the storage account I would like to use. Now I'm also changing the VM name and let Veeam to place it into existing Azure resource group. Then I'm selecting the virtual network for the restored VM, reviewing recovery parameters, and starting the actual process. As the process takes quite some time, I'm speeding up the video and will come back here later. Now the process is finished successfully and I can check the VM status. For this reason, I'm switching to Azure Console, finding a restored VM and checking its settings. I'm going to remotely connect to the machine, just to make sure that it's running fine. I'm using the same administrator account and can successfully RDP to the restored VM. As you can see, it's running fine in Azure Cloud now, and the recovery complete successfully. That's it for demo number 2. Stay tuned for other multi-cloud Veeam videos. Bye bye!